Aircraft carrier Bush conducts first at sea MQ-25 unmanned tanker demo. The aircraft carrier George H.W. Bush has spent the past 2 weeks showing off the future of naval aviation, hosting the U.S. Navy's first MQ-25A Stingray unmanned tanker for an at-sea demonstration and conducting that carrier's first F-35C Joint Strike Fighter flight operations. The service announced Dec. 20 it had completed an unmanned carrier aviation demonstration, installing a ground control station on the ship and proving the UAV could integrate into that carrier environment. On a pitching flight deck, with the operator following the hand signals of the aircraft handlers, and with ship-based operators maintaining connectivity even while the drone is mid-air and away from the carrier. For the demonstration, a prototype MD-5 ground control station was installed in what is being called an Unmanned Aviation Warfare Center, a first-of-its-kind control room that would be set up on carriers to support MQ-25 operations, according to a news release. The team in this control room would coordinate the drone's missions as well as its approaches to the ship during landing. The Boeing-owned T-1 test vehicle then conducted day and night operations at sea, including taxiing and parking on the flight deck, connecting to the catapult, and clearing out of the landing area.